What's up guys, Alexander here, back with another wpDataChart callback. In the last video, we talked about wpDataChart callbacks and how they can enhance your data visualization. Today, I'm excited to dive into it again and show you a callback that adds custom data labels to a basic HighCharts column chart. Let's dive right into it.
Now, here's the table that our chart is based on. For today though, we're not focusing on this part as much. We're diving right into how to enhance that chart with custom labels. We'll be using the HighChart engine and we'll be creating a column chart. Here's the initial chart setup. Let's quickly add this chart to a page and take a quick look at what it looks like right now. So here we have the chart, but as you can see, there are no labels on top of these columns. We're about to change that. Let's open up the editor again. I'm going to add a small HTML block right here with a custom script that will add those labels. Let's save it and take another look. Now we have labels on every column. Super helpful, right? This simple change makes each data point immediately clear. Let's go over the code really quickly so you get the basics of what's happening here. We start by checking if wpDataChart Callbacks is already defined. If not, we add it as an empty object with opened and closed curly brackets. Then we add our callback function for chart ID 24. You'll want to replace 24 with your specific chart's ID, so this applies correctly. Inside, we loop through each series or dataset in the chart. We check if series point type is empty. If so, we set it to column to ensure our data is displayed as columns. Lastly, we enable the custom data labels. The enabled true line makes them visible. Then we format the labels to show each point's value with the text units after it. And for styling, we make the font bold and set it to white so it stands out. Remember, you'll need a little coding knowledge to customize things like this. And these are just starting points. There's so much more you can do. I'd recommend checking the API of the chart engine you're using in wpDataTables to discover other ways to get creative with your visuals.
Well, I hope you found this short video helpful. These small tweaks can really make a difference in how your data comes across. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy these tips. Hit that bell icon too so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.